Welcome!
Hey there, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Sony PlayStation Dualshock 4 controller. But before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Well, it's not red anymore, I keep forgetting. But make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course, if you like this controller, if you like PlayStation 4, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Costa's Partoner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Yep. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright, so here we have the front of our Sony PlayStation DualShock 4 PlayStation controller. We are not 100% sure if this is not a bootleg or not. Do you want to tell them the story, hon?
Yeah, we found it very cheap in a place that in Argentina is called El Universo del Control Remoto. We find it for 13,000 pesos, which is kinda the price today of a knockoff controller, of a bootleg. So this made us very suspicious, but we went researching, and apparently, also for what we found on Google, this is the European packaging. So we guess that they imported it cheaper somehow from Europe. Here it has instructions in different languages, mostly from Europe. But well, a year ago we made the review of the Level Up Tarantula. That is a non-official PlayStation PC compatible controller for what it will be today, kinda this price. And well, so it was very weird to find this price for a legit official DualShock 4, but for what we've been seeing, seems to be legit. Let's show the bottom. But anyway, we are going to be doing the unboxing right after this, and obviously we are going to test it, right?
Yep.
And then we will give you our opinion and review.
Yep.
Back to you, Sailor.
Alright, so now that we've shown you all of the box, now it's time to unbox our new controller. So let's go ahead and let's do that now.
Yep.
Alright, so here we have our new controller. In our opinion, we think that it's official. We weren't sure if it was bootleg before, but holding it now out of the box, it has the right weight and feel of an official PlayStation 4 controller. It has the weight that the ones that we previously unboxed, the Tarantula controllers, didn't have.
The texture.
Yeah, the texture. And I don't know if you can see here. Do you see the little sticker, hon?
Yeah.
It says Tekken Enero
22.
Yeah.
With Enero means January, by the
Yeah.
way.
We're not sure if that's an importer who brought it from somewhere else to Argentina or not, but we have that there. But we googled and we weren't able to find anything.
That's it.
Yeah, also we have the official label there. And of course the triangle light there.
The tape covering the touchpad.
The tape, of course, covering the touchpad.
How the buttons feel, everything feels like quality, right? Official quality.
It feels like the original quality.
I mean, this can break too, but it's like...
It takes a lot longer.
It takes some years. Last year we replaced our previous PlayStation 4 controllers and we got the Tarantula, Level Up Tarantula, and well, like one is broken already and the other is about to. So
yeah. But also we play a lot. So.
Yeah, but the official PlayStation controllers that we got with the PlayStation's originally lasted many years.
True.
So hopefully it will be the case too. We hope that this is not maybe, I don't know, a shipment of defective controllers that they bought for cheap. Hopefully it won't be the case, we will be testing it.
Yeah. Or that is maybe you also had the idea that maybe it could be a refurbished version.
Refurbish, repair, yeah. We have no way to know, but
with a bit of hope and testing, it'll be a long-lasting controller.
yeah, hopefully that's just they don't know what they're selling.
Yeah.
Because it's specialized in remote controllers, right? Not on gamepads and stuff. So well.
But well, you guys tell us, what do you think about this PlayStation controller? Now we're going to go into do the testing now.
And we will give you all the detailed review.
Alright, so we've been testing this controller and we see it as a really good controller. I've been using it to play No Man's Sky and Eric has been using it to play different games too, right, Han?
Yeah, I've been playing Grand Theft Auto 5, FIFA 22.
Yeah, and I've also been using it to play different racing games. This controller has the weight and feel of quality, and also it has like a weight to it that the previous controller that we got, the Level Up Tarantula, just didn't have. This controller has the light in the back of it, which connects to the PlayStation 4 camera. This is something that the Tarantula, the Level Up Tarantula controller just didn't have, which makes us think that it's an official PlayStation Dualshock controller.
And also, using this controller, it doesn't give you the notification from PlayStation that we used to get using the Tarantula that will say you're not using an official controller, therefore you may experience some difficulties, blah blah blah. So I think that's another way to prove that this is an official Dualshock 4, right?
Yeah, I guess they just didn't know what they had in the place where we got it. Where was it, hun?
El universo del control remoto.
Or in English, the universe of the remote control. But you also had another idea of how we might have gotten this deal.
Yeah, but I guess, I don't know, maybe, or they got a cheap shipment from somewhere, I don't know. Or maybe this was contraband or illegal merchandise that was seized and then it gets sold cheaper, and maybe, well, they got a hold of that. I'm guessing.
We really don't know how we managed to get so lucky, but we did.
Because the thing is that for the prices in Argentina, we got it for the price of a cheaper knockoff controller.
Yeah, and if you check in other places, the same controller, it's like more than the double of what we spent for it. So it's really, if you have a chance, if you're in Argentina, if you're in Buenos Aires, and you find one of these shops, that there's many, see if you can't pick up a PlayStation 4 controller. And obviously, guys, we're not sponsored, although if they want to sponsor us, feel free to get in contact.
Yeah, but well, we wanted to let the audience know when we find an opportunity like this, it's like, well, guys, take it, right, before they realize what they are doing, because really, it's very cheap for an official Dualshock 4. And also we bought it in prepayments with no interest with credit card, which makes it way more comfortable, right?
Yeah, as far as I'm concerned, it's an official DualShock controller for less than half the price. So
yeah, Google Displays, it has 16 locations. For sure you will have, if you are in Buenos Aires, you will have one near you.
And well, if you think this video was helpful, don't forget to share it to help out your friends too. And of course, make sure to tell me down in the comments below what you think of this video. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Yep. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, with that being said, I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.